Hi everybody, it's Jack Smith with Keller Williams Luxury right here in downtown St. Pete at 6450 First Avenue South in the Bear Creek neighborhood. This is an absolutely immaculate 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. The split floor plan, great big backyard for all your fur babies. Come on in and take a look.
Hey everybody, it's Jake Maisner with the Jack Smith Group. Thank you for visiting our gorgeous brand new listing here in the heart of St. Pete. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. My cell phone is 954-263-8711. Thank you, and we look forward to helping you.